Haley.
Jackson.
Let's pretend, kids.
Today on Let's Pretend Kids, we're pretending to be nature conservationists.
Hey guys, it's me, Miss Violet, and today I'm teaching you about owls. Hope you enjoy this video. Barn owls mostly eat voles, shrews, mice, and sometimes rats. Food is often swallowed whole. Bits of fur and bone are then coughed up as an owl pellet. Predators of the barn owl include large American opossums, the common raccoon, and other carnivore birds such as eagles, larger hawks, and other owls. A female owl is called a hen, and a male owl is called a cuckoo. A baby owl is called the owlet. A group of owls is called a parliament. Barn owls screech, they never hoot. That's a tawny owl. Like most owls, the barn owl sleeps during the day and hunts at night. Even in total darkness, they can find the smallest vole using their super sensitive hearing. Here are 5 fun facts about owls. Number 1. Barn owls' large eyes are very sensitive too. They can quickly spot a mouse moving in a very gloomy barn. Number 2. Barn owls' feathers are very soft. This helps them hunt silently, but they are not very waterproof and get soaked if it rained. Number 3. Barn owls have lopsided ears. One is higher than the other, which helps them to pinpoint exactly where the tiny sounds are coming from. Number 4. A wild barn owl usually eats about 4 small mammals every night. That's about 1,460 per year. Number 5. Barn owls have very long legs, toes, and talons to help them catch prey hidden under long grass. Hope you enjoyed this video about owls with me, Miss Violet. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hoo-dee-hoo! Is there an owl here?